Good morning! Join me today as I prepare breakfast for my family. I came from the gym, so I told Ate Wing, why is she cooking breakfast without me? And then I volunteered to do the sunny side ups because she already started cooking the chicken tocino. Watch me as I Watch me as I fail how to cook this sunny side ups. The previous sunny side ups that I cooked like from weeks back was a disaster. At least I'm very proud of myself na hindi na siya basag.
Push. Hiwa sa kamatis ng corned beef. May kamatis ba ang corned beef?
So, ito yung part na nag-doubt ako kung may kamatis ang corned beef. And apparently, pinrepare pala ni Ate Wing yung kamatis para sa salted egg. So, spoiler alert, hinalo ko yung kamatis sa ginisa na onion para sa corned beef. Tapos late ko na lang na-realize na kailangan ko pala siyang kunin kasi hindi pala siya para sa corned beef. Walang ginisang corned beef na may kamatis. So Inigo joined me today while I'm recording this voice-over part. Ito nga pala yung part na feeling sous chef ako na naglalagay ng oil sa ibabaw ng itlog. Kasi I don't wanna flip it. I don't want to break the yolk. Kaya kinukuha ko yung mainit na oil, pinapatong ko doon. I don't know where I got this from. Wala kasing takip. So, cooking this corned beef, ginisang corned beef, I had a guard. So, she started telling me what to do. So, I panicked a little kasi I don't want to disappoint her. So, I dropped the onion pero ayun, may balat pa pala. Ayun, tinuro. Sabi ko, shh, kapingay. Sabi niya, bawal ba magturo? Sabi ko, hindi naman. Kaya lang, nape-pressure ako kasi may nakatingin. What's that, Igo? Ayun. So, ayan, ginisa ko na. Tapos ihuhulog ko na, ito na yung part na hinulog ko yung kamatis sa corned beef.
So yun nga, na-realize ko na hindi pala kasama yung kamatis.
So, tapos na ako magluto. Okay na to.